Hi, this is Ali from Rob and Ali Cruise and Travel. This is our first day on board the Carnival Luminosa, and I have come back to the cabin to unpack. Our bags have arrived. Rob's gone off to go and do a treasure hunt. He's unpacked some of his stuff already, but I haven't done any. Now, you've probably heard me say in other previous videos, I like to put everything into little baggies and cubes, and I put all my dresses, all my clothes already on the coat hangers. I know that sounds like a lot of fussing around when you pack, but let me just show you how easy it is for me to unpack. I'm actually just staring over there because the sunset is wonderful. Let me just show you the sunset. Look at this, guys. This is the sunset, and that's my case full. Okay, so let's have a look in the wardrobe. So what I do is I take all the hangers off first. Now normally, it's funny, isn't it? You used to cry about not having enough coat hangers years ago in hotels and on board ships, but now I don't need them. I just take them all out first. So we will swing back to the bed where my case is. I'm sorry, I haven't got the GoPro, so this camera work is really awful, and Rob will probably say he's not going to use it, but here we go. Maybe if I stand up the camera somewhere. So you see, I have everything already on the coat hangers, apart from one dress there that I slipped in an extra dress very last minute. So there we go. Everything's already hung up, and it goes. Oh my God, it's so heavy. This is just such bad camera work, I know. There. Robert will have to cut and paste this. There we go. So there are my dresses hanging up, and then I also have that's my evening dresses, and I have my day dresses and shorts and tops. They are here. There we go. And once again, I just lift everything out and straight in. Oh, there we go. Straight into the wardrobe. That's my clothes taken care of. There we go. That's it. All done. Now, everything else is also in cubes. So I have hats. So we like to hang our hats up on hooks. So I'll just take those out for now and put those on the dressing table. I then have all my electrical things here. So I'm going to put that in the bedside cabinet there. That's everything I need for all my electrics. Here I have our sort of beach going out. So that's our pegs to hold down the towels. I've got some insect repellent and some factor 50. So that's sort of a going out one already in its bag. I then have this one here. This is the general creams for going out, sort of the suntans for all over the body. So that's another one to go out, and I will put those in this section here. I think this is all the going out, nicely visible, and I just pick up whichever pack. So if we're going out for a walk or something, I'd take the clear one. If we were going out up on deck or we were sunbathing, I'd take that orange one there. This one here, this has all our lanyards and our face masks. So these are what we hang up again by the door on our magnetic hooks. We'll show you those later. So I'll just pop those there for now. They're just some extra bags. And then I have this one here. This is our waterproof sort of shoes if we are going kayaking, or if we're doing a water activity where we need our shoes in that one. So that keeps those nicely together. So that's both of ours. And again, I'll put this in this cupboard here because this is our going out stuff. So when we want to get ready for a day out, I'll know that I can just pick that up, and that will be our wet shoes. I've then got the all-important first aid kit. So we don't need that every day. Sorry, I just need to... I must apologise about the camera work. It's terrible. This is our little case when we... it's got our wet wipes, just to wipe everything down. It's got a little pair of scissors, and it has the wall magnets. So it's kind of all our hardware and stuff. And also, I have a thing about the bathroom being kept nice and smelly, or unsmelly, or smelling sweet. So I have the odour neutraliser in that one. So that's like cleaning and hardware. So we'll put everything up on the wall, give everything a wipe down. So that's that little bag, and then that can go back in the case. Same with the lanyards. Once we've hung everything up, that goes back in the case, and so do the hats. Back over to the rest of my clothes. So I've got socks in that one. I've got underwear in that one. I've got my bathing costumes and cover-ups in that one. So everything, I find a shelf in here, in the wardrobe or wherever. Find a shelf, so I know that's my daytime swimsuits and cover-ups. Then I've got my socks and my underwear. So I don't actually unpack from these cubes. The idea is that you pop them in like that. As you use them, you just take them out the cubes. When anything's dirty, we have a wash bag, and then it goes to the wash bag. This little one here, that is my my night PJs, my silky PJs. That just goes straight over there. I have all my hair stuff in this big one. So this would be sort of the heated rollers, my heating brush, my hairbrush, my all the shine sprays, all the usual paraphernalia for doing my hair. I keep that together, and I put that in the drawer. Actually, I should put that one. There's the hairdryer. I'll see if I can get it into the hairdryer section. It's a bit small. Let's see. Look over there. Oh, look at that, made for it. So there's the hairdryer and all my hair stuff. There. Then I have, so we're going to I'm going to put the first aid. Maybe I will put the first aid here. Although I'll probably normally put the first aid out the way, to be honest. There's my little coffees in case I don't like the coffee. I leave that one out there. I'm going to put the first aid kit. I'm going to put that up here, just out the way, because we won't be using that all the time, hopefully. That's my, whoops, where are we? That's my sunglasses, more things for the day. It's actually shoe straps. I have different straps for my shoes. So I'm going to put that one down here as well. That's my sunnies. That's down there. This is all my bathroom paraphernalia, wash, toothbrush, all that kind of jazz. My wash bag. Okay, that can go. Actually, that just goes there. Okay, and I'll empty that out and I'll use some of those shelves there. But But that's everything just in that one case. And what's the last? So I have a few t-shirts and some scarves. And again, I will put these here. So I have my scarves. So these are just things that I will throw over a t-shirt, or things that are like a shawl or something to go over some of my dresses. So I just have a whole pack of those. And then I've got some t-shirts here. And that's it. As I say, I don't take these out. That's it. As I use them, I will either fold them back up and put them back in here. The costume's the same. After I've used my costume and rinsed it through and dried it off, I'll put it back in that pack. So when I go home, everything is either still in these packs if I haven't used it, or it's still clean, or I can, it's all in the wash bag. So these packs may be empty, everything will be in the wash bag, and it's just nice and easy to then pack up again. Handbag for tonight. The all-important snacks. We need the snacks. Do you know, I'm going to give the snacks a whole cupboard. There we go. I'm going to hide those out of the way because I have other snacks as well. More hair stuff and a handbag. There we go. I've got some little extra hair pieces. I've got a nice handbag and more hair stuff. So I'm going to put that round where the hair dryer and everything is. That's just the next drawer down. That's that one done. And did I pack anything in the tops? I did. So these are our hangers for drying clothes. These come in really, really handy. You just loop things through these. You don't need any clothes pegs. These were from IKEA. I think they were $1. And you just hang them up. And they are fantastic. They've really worked. So I'm just going to put those straight in the wardrobe. And there's just a few more little snacks in here. There we go. I like to have just some little vegan snacks for me there. And I'm so sorry about the camera work. It's been absolutely appalling. But that's it. That's me unpacked. It probably takes, if I wasn't explaining it, probably take me about 7 minutes. I think this video has taken about 10 minutes in all. Wouldn't take me any longer than that. And I'm unpacked. Everything's away in its place. When we come to go out, Rob's got in his bag the going out bags, you know, our little canvas bags that you have. Literally, I would go to each of these packs, throw in that pack that would be what we'd either have for sunbathing or whatever, our glasses, and that's it. We're good to go. Yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and join me again. Bye now. Hi, this is Ali from Rob Cruise and Travel. No, it's not. Robert's already taken a lot of the space. He's already put his stuff up. So I'm just going to stop and take some of these coat hangers out.